Hello everyone, welcome to Clashing Coder. So in this video I will show you the goodies that I have received through the Hacktober Fest 2020. So let's see. So I received this packet just one day ago. So I have opened this sealed. So let's see what we get inside. So first of all we have the t-shirt. So this t-shirt we selected the size also from the site of the Hacktober. You can see Hacktober Fest 2020. So you can see this is a Neptune blue color. So this is really pretty color. So I opt for this color rather than the white color, which is pretty much normal. So you can see this is a medium size t-shirt, and you can see the quality of the t-shirt is also pretty much great. So it is a half sleeve, so it will be wearable during the summers. So let's see what we get inside the packet. So let's see. So you can see I have got everything out. So you can see this is the card that we've got, and it's written one API. So you can see it is written about the Intel, so how Intel is one of the top 10 contributors to the open source software. And you can see this is the simple that card. And let's see. So here we get the Dave. So enjoy these stickers, and you can see you can tag with your laptop pics, and you can see you can share this. So this is simply that. And then we have the this card. This you can see this is of plastic. So sorry, this is of actually you can see card. So this is Hacktober. It is the symbol of Hacktober, and you can see it is actually written that we can get the credit of worth $100. So in if you use it between 60 days. So you can see this is simply that for the digital ocean. So then we get the stickers. So let's see. So first of all you can see this is the sticker that we have got. This is a normal sticker, Mattermost. So you can paste it on your laptop. Or then we have the sticker, main sticker. You can see actually, so this is a Github sticker, so it really looks pretty. So you can see this is a Github sticker and it is looking nice. And then we have the Intel sticker, so you can paste it on also on your laptop, so it will seem good. So then we have this Vonage stickers. So you can see this Vonage sticker, and then we have one more. You can see these two stickers that we are getting with different graphics. So let's see. So then we get the JetBeans stickers. So it looks pretty much nice. You can see JetBeans. So it is obviously common, like this JetBeans software we use commonly. So this is a pretty much good sticker. Then we have the main sticker, that is Hacktober. So you can see Hacktober 2020 sticker. You can see this is looking really nice, the graphics that they have designed. Then we have you can see this sticker. This is very tiny but a great sticker. You can see. So you can see then we have this sticker. So that is Cockroach DB. So you can see it is very small but yeah, pretty nice. You can see this sticker. Then we have this digital ocean. You can see this sticker. Then we have the Dave sticker. You can see, so it is pretty much large sticker. So if you paste it on your laptops, it will take a lot of space, but yeah, it's pretty much nice sticker. Then we have this sticker. So it is one of my favorite. You can see it is pretty much small but yeah, great. So you can see it looks sick, very sick. So then we have this, the shark sticker, that is digital ocean. You can see, so yeah, it looks nice. So it is actually a blurred. You can see the pixels are pretty much distorted, so this is looking great. Then we have the circle CI. So these are all the stickers that we have got. You can see that we have got total of 14 stickers. So I hope you know how we get the stickers. If you don't, so I will tell you that during the October month, so during the October month every year, the Digital Ocean organizes the open source event. So during that event we have to post 4 pull requests which should be accepted within the within the repository by the repository manager within the this October month. So then only you will be able to opt for this or claim your goodies. If you are able to do so, you can see you will get all the goodies for free. And you can see there are a lot of stickers, and you can get this awesome t-shirt, you can see, of really high quality for free by contributing to the open source. So if you are not contributing to the open source, then I will recommend you to start contributing to the open source, so you will be able to get this goodies every year. You can see during the October month. So this is looking pretty nice. So I hope you guys like this video. So if you have any doubt about the Hacktober Fest, then you can comment down below, so I will clear your doubts. And do like this video and subscribe, sharing for more such videos. Thank you for watching, guys.